Hello children, this is Samir Asthana from Dalim Sunbeam School, Jaunpur, and today we will start mathematics, as mathematics is very essential part of your daily life. Everywhere, in every work you go through with the mathematics. So mathematics is very easy and interesting subject also. Don't make it too much complicated. Okay, let us make it simple and interesting. And the most important topic in the mathematics is the algebraic expressions. So let us start today's class with this topic, algebraic expressions. So first of all, the questions arise, what is algebraic expression? Expressions means to express. हम express कर रहे हैं उसको कैसे? So there are two things, variables and constants. What are variables and what are constants? These two make the algebraic expressions. Variables, that means things which don't change the things which change its value, like x, y, z and so on. By English alphabet we use these symbols for variables. Okay, x, y, z, a, b, c, m, n, anything. Its values changes on the particular value, on the particular thing. When we put the value, then the variable's value is changed. Constants we will represent with numerals 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. Its value is fixed. 1 आपका change नहीं हो सकता, 2 आपका change, so it is called constant. Okay. So by variables and constants, the combination of these two things is making the algebraic expressions, like x plus 2. X and 2 makes an algebraic expression. Here x is the variable and 2 is the constant, and they are combined with the mathematical symbol, mathematical operation plus. Similarly, x minus 3 also with the sign of minus. What it mean here? X is a fixed number, x is a thing, and 2 is added to x. It makes x plus 2. X is anything and 3 is subtracted from x. Okay. So this is the algebraic expression along with the multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. For example, 2x plus 4. This is also an algebraic expression. X is multiplied by 2 and added to 4. Okay. So let us discuss some more things in algebraic expressions. These are the algebraic expressions. There are the terms. How many terms are here? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is one term, this is one term. They are separated by the sign of plus. One term, two terms separated by the sign of minus. One term, two terms separated by the sign of plus. Okay. So plus and minus in the algebraic expression separate the terms. For example, 2x plus 7y minus 3. There are three terms and two variables, x and y. They are separated by the plus and minus. So plus separate 2x and 7y. Minus separate 7y and 3. So how many total number of terms here? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So this is the basic, the how many numbers of terms and algebraic expressions can have. Okay. So next is the coefficient. What is the coefficient? In algebraic expression, each term having the coefficient. Like here the first algebraic expression x plus 2. Here the first term x, the variable. This term containing the variable x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is the numeral multiplied by x. So x plus 2. Here which numeral is multiplied by x? 1. 1 into x. So coefficient of x is equal to 1. Okay. In this polynomial or in this algebraic expression x, coefficient of x is equal to again 1. Here coefficient of x is equal to the numeral multiplied by 2. That is 2 is the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is equal to 2 and coefficient of y is equal to 7. Okay, is it clear? I don't think there should be any problem. Now let us move to the next. Next is the kind of the algebraic expression. Kind means, that means the how many names we can put here for the algebraic expressions. So according to the number of terms, according to the number of terms, we name here the algebraic expressions. If one term that is monomial, for example x, 2x, 2x square, 5x cube, these are one terms, x, 2x, 2x square, 5x cube. Here the numerals are multiplied, so this become one term. If between plus or minus, then it is separated two terms. Here are one terms monomial, called monomial. Two terms like x plus 2, 1 and 2 terms, x plus 3, 1 and 2 terms, it is called binomial. Okay, if three terms like 2x square plus 7x plus 5 or 3x plus 2y plus 7. Here are three terms having two variables, having one variables, any type of algebraic expressions containing the three terms. This is known as trinomial. Okay, so according to the number of terms, we name the algebraic expressions. One term monomial, two terms we call binomial, three terms we call trinomial. And generally more than three terms, what is the name? It be called polynomial. What is called? Polynomial. Okay, so simply an algebraic expression having any number of terms, either one term, two term, three term, four term, five term, etc. It is simply known as the polynomial. But in the special case 1, 2 and 3 terms, we will call monomial, binomial और trinomial. तो सिंपली इनके नेम ये हैं, इनके काइंड ये हैं. हम अगर इनको पॉलिनोमियल भी बोलते हैं तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, पॉलिनोमियल बोलेंगे तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, पॉलिनोमियल बोलेंगे तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बट अगर स्पेशल नेम देना चाहेंगे इनका तो वन टर्म है तो मोनोमियल, टू टर्म्स है तो बाइनोमियल, थ्री टर्म्स है तो ट्राइनोमियल, सिंपली पॉलिनोमियल. क्लियर? पॉश. So next is the like and unlike terms in the algebraic expression. What are like and what are unlike? Like means एक ही तरह के, unlike means odd, different. For example 2x, x, 5x, 7x, these are the like terms. Why? Because here the variable x, these are the coefficient doesn't matter, coefficient से कोई मतलब हमारा नहीं होगा. 2x square, 3x square, 5x square, these are like term because the variable x having the same power 2. 3x cube, 4x square, 5x power 4. These are unlike. Why? Because the variables are same, the x, but the degree, that is the power, here is 3, here is 2, here is 4. So the power is different, variable is same, these are unlike. यानी कि like means same variable and the same power should be there. If variables are different or their power are different, then they are known as the unlike. For example, 3x 2y. Variables are different, but their power are same, 1. But variable are different. These are unlike. These are unlike. These are same variable, same power. Like. Same variable, same power. Like. कोफिशिएंट 7, 5, 1 एंड 2 इट डजेंट मैटर. कोफिशिएंट से कोई मतलब नहीं होगा हमारा. लाइक एंड अनलाइक में हमारे वेरिएबल सेम होने चाहिए, उनकी पावर सेम होनी चाहिए. वेरिएबल अगर डिफरेंट हो गया, पावर सेम से कोई मतलब नहीं, फिर ये अनलाइक हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सो चिल्ड्रन, दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स इन द अलजेब्रा एक्सप्रेशन. कैसे उनका फॉर्मेशन होता है, कैसे वो बनते हैं, कितने नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होते हैं, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनके नेम क्या होते हैं, लाइक और अनलाइक क्या होता है. लाइक एंड अनलाइक आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन अलजेब्रा एक्सप्रेशन. लाइक टर्म्स कैन बी एडेड और सब्ट्रैक्टेड, okay, but unlike terms cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. How we can add or subtract or multiply or divide two algebra expression, more than two algebra expression, we will discuss in the next video. So for today video, it will be helpful for you, more better, more helpful for you. Easy concepts are here, keep in mind. And with this concept, in the next video we will do subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Bye children.